Good morning, students. In the last class, I told you the definition of relation and function, and today I will give you the brief about the relation and function as well as the type of relation, and I will try to define also type of functions. Type of function. Okay, what is the relation? Relation is relation. What is relation? A relation is a relation is a subset of a Cartesian product A cross P, where A and B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty means there is something in the two sets. If the set are empty, then meaningless. So, or for example, A equals to 1, 2. A equals to 1. This is what a set. And B, I will take 1, 2 and 3. Or we can say 3 or 4. Then what is A cross B? Very simple. A cross B means 1, 2 into 3, 4. So we can simple multiply. We will got the pairs, order pairs. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. This is what A cross B. In the set, the member or element in the braces are known as the elements. So, number of relations from A to B are formula is 2 power mn. 2 m is number of cardinal number inside A, and n is number of cardinal number inside B. Here 2 into 2, this is what? 2 power 4. So you will know 2 power. Total 16 possible relation can be found. Now question is, what are the 16 possible relations? This is the issue. So by taking another example, I am telling you what are the possible relations. Before going to discussion about the name of these possible relation, I will give you one more example, because to make the 16 relation is not easy just now. So, but I will take one more example. Relation, or we can say we are using the arrow method to explain the relation. This side A, this is side B. Here the element 1, 2, and this is 3, 4. So relation is A to B. 1 match with 3, 1 also match with 4, 2 also match with 3, and 2 also match with 4. So this is another type definition of the relation. Now, what are the different relations? Means type of relations. So, type of relations. This is very important concept. Types of relations. Number one, empty relation. Number 2, universal relation. universal relation, or number 3 reflexive relation, and number 4 is symmetric relation, and number 5 is transitive relation. First we will discuss about the empty relation or relation on or in a set, means relation on a set itself. So first we will define you what is the relation on a given set. Let a relation from set A. Let a relation from set A to set or a relation on set A or a relation in set A, all are same. For example, if I will take let set A is 1, 2. So meaning is, one thing I am telling you, relation is represented by capital letter of the alphabet, that is R. So R approaches are such that A to A. This is what domain and this is codomain, A to A. Its meaning is a relation in set A or a relation from set A to A, or R such that 1, 2, 1, 2. Then write the relations. So empty relation. Before empty, I will write it R. A cross A is the Cartesian product. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, or 2, 2. You know the definition. What is the relation? I defined already. The relation means R is a subset of or equal to the product of Cartesian product. Means every relation is a child of A cross B, Cartesian product. So possible relations are, possible relation means relation in the Cartesian product. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 elements. So total possible relations are, formula is 2 power subset. Total possible subsets कितने हो? How many? Subset 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 16. Now this is the example. I am telling you how we find the possible relations. So please, R equals to, see, write these element. This is what? Phi or everything. For example, suppose you have 1, 2. Then my question is, please write the subset of this one. So you will write what? Phi, individual or combined. This is what? Possible subset of the set A. Similarly, you will write the possible subset of this relation, this Cartesian product. You will write phi and separately 1, 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and combine means this and this pair by pairing 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Using this one, please make the pair with this 1 comma 1 with all, with this, and with this. Now we are making the pair with this. This or this we have already taken. This we will take. Now 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. So now with this 2 comma 1 already taken. So 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. With the pair of 2 2. Now we will take the pair of 3 3 each. This. So 1 comma 1. I know very difficult, but concept is required. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Second is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Third is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. And once pair of 4. Pair of 4 means whole set, whole Cartesian product. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is what? Total possible relations. Means Cartesian product, total number of possible subset are known as here. These are the relations, 16 relations. Now I am talking empty relation. Empty relation. When empty relations means no element of set A make the image with another set. This is what type of called? Like this: A, B, C, or D. Element of A, set A, does not match with any element of B. That is what empty relation. This is what phi. This is the same case. When the no element is there, when no image is there in set A, is known as empty relation. A relation in which we cannot write any relation. A relation in which we cannot write any relation is called empty relation. Very simple, empty relation. And after that, universal relation. Universal relation. Universal relation means Cartesian product itself is like this. This is called universal relation. Universal means the element of set A, all the element of set A has image with element of set B. For example, we see here we have taken the example like this: 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 1, 1 with 1, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, and 2 with 1 or 2 with 2. So this completes it. And thing very important, when we are writing the subset of A cross B, means we are writing the possible relation, that time the one word I am using, the extreme corner. Extreme corner means just beginning and just ending, from the rightmost and the leftmost. So thus beginning xt means this is of one is empty set, empty relation, and last being means complete element is known as what? Universal set. Universal set means all the images of set A with the another set, then it is called the universal set. And what about the remaining 14? Total 16 were there. One is for empty, one is for universal. What about these? These are the any other relation. Clear? Now any other means I am telling you, any other means the three more relation, like identity relation, like symmetry relation, like reflexive relation, like transitive relation. Okay, so I hope these two relations will clear.